Nyagatari kurasa nyagatari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital babiri bakogosere buna mbalgicho kogendera nemeremo yabo yankobwatekana buna no kunyoroko wakano kwe mishahara yabo gosengere yabo niko chinga kechibaro kurogo tinda gotse buna maiga yoko nyorwa so wakanwa niko bara irekwera ninse obokorri bwabo nagote buna abatekera na semere mo chakeri tukuri yankyo nengano na batera gote buna gwikiraboni geserikali tere gukogani kwabo ase bagenderete kwe murungano motokumanyogo no mulikito Sam Miyenda.
Abanyagitari Nyamira County ya Kisii nigo besokire na kwemurunganiria amakongo bagwetera buna ugutakanwa mishahara yonsi nabo igo ase chingaki chibwenerete.
Tumekuja hapa kama wauguzi wa Kisii County Government kuregister our grievances concerning the salary delay. Tumekuwa tukipata salary wakati siku zimeenda, na hiyo sio mzuri kwa county government, and it has been a tendency that always there is salary delay. When we try to request them, the reason they don't give us.
Imekuwa hali hatari sana. Mshahara mwaka huu tumepata mara moja. Mwezi wa Januari ilikuwa ni mshahara ya Disemba tukapata mwezi wa Januari.
Gukwana nabarikia mangana ningo be murunganire ogotakini webirogo egatia yande ekyuke ko baita omoyo.
Some of the challenges nurses are facing, we know that since this government came into place, no nurse has ever been promoted, no nurse has ever been gone to school, no nurse has ever been redesignated, no nurse in any capacity has never been enjoying any fruits of this government. So we want to send a signal to Her Excellency Simbarati that look at your government and see those luckless and lazy officers and kindly replace them with the officers who can work for the good of the people of Kisii
and Kisii County. And this one demoralized the healthcare workers of Kisii County government. You know, nurses, they are always on duty. They don't delay giving services, but the county government can delay paying salaries.
The deductions in the banks, the pay, the loans, and the NHIF money is paid by 5th because we have never delayed in giving the services.
Nigo bagosererie omogiro onyekerero kiabo tikego chikoigwe kana ase bako emocha serikali ya county.
Sasa mahali imefika hii maneno ya kubembelezana tumechoka kubembelezana mara sijui nini. Sasa tunawapea strike notice chairman na watu wa union ambao ni officials. Mahali imefika tumechoka, punda amechoka, tunataka kuweka mizigo chini tupumzike.
We don't want to plead anymore, but it is a must that salaries is a right which is enshrined in the constitution. Ama namna gani? Kuanzia leo we have given this government the next 48 hours the salaries to reflect in our accounts. Failure to do so, then we will take further action and we may be compelled to withdraw our services forthwith.
Every time that there is salary delay, we will be moving out to demonstrate. We want to tell the public, please, before you go to the hospital, inquire whether the healthcare workers, especially the nurses, have been paid. Usikuje hospitali ni kutipu na sichalipwa pesa.
Bono nigo basabire omugabana wa Kisii County Kisii Mbarati wekerania eira bariete ekero atianetigwe buna omugabana.
The government ensure we want to plead with our governor and the entire government that ensure your team works according to the manifesto that you gave us as the Kisii County health workers when you were sworn into office.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
Kuripoteri haigeta seni Ndizi TV, Nchenkoro kwa Sam Miyenda.